In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in AOL. We will walk through each click together so your emails look exactly the way you want. First, open your browser and search for AOL. In the address bar or search box, type the letters AOL and press enter. On the results page, you should see the official AOL site at the top, usually with the familiar blue logo. Take a quick look and make sure it clearly says AOL, so you know you are heading to the right place. Once the results appear, click the correct AOL link and then click Sign In. After the AOL page loads, look near the top right area of the screen for the Sign In button. Click it and you will reach the login page where you can enter your username and password. When you finish signing in, you should see your AOL mail inbox with your messages listed in the center. Now that you are in your inbox, click the settings icon in the top right corner. This icon looks like a small gear and sits near your profile area. When you click it, a small menu opens below the gear. This menu is where AOL puts the controls that change how your mailbox looks and behaves. From here, click More Settings. In that small menu under the gear, you will see an option labeled More Settings. Click it once. The screen will switch to a full settings page, and on the left side you will see a tall list of categories. In the main area to the right, you will see options related to whichever category is currently selected. Next, select Writing Email from the menu panel on the left. Find Writing Email in that left column and click it. When you do, the right side of the page changes to show options related to composing messages. You should now see sections about how your messages look when you write them, including your default formatting choices. After that, scroll to the default rich text font section. Use your mouse or trackpad to move down the page until you reach the section with that exact label. This area controls how your text looks automatically whenever you create a new email. If you do not scroll far enough, you might miss it, so be sure you see the words Default Rich Text Font clearly on the screen. Finally, use the drop-down menus to select your preferred font style, size, and color. When you click each drop-down, AOL shows a list of options, such as several font names, a range of sizes, and a color palette. Choose a font that is easy for you to read, a size that is comfortable on your screen, and a color that fits your style. Your selections automatically save as soon as you pick them, and they apply to every new outgoing message you compose from now on. You have just customized the default font style, size, and color for all your future AOL emails, making every new message match your personal style. If this helped you get your AOL emails looking better, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple AOL tips.